Hey guys, hey Jiley, it's phone.
Okay, start the vlog. Go.
What's Wait.
Go, Julie.
Wait.
Mila, come here.
What's up, YouTube? Welcome back.
Go, start the
I
intro.
can't do it.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to
No,
my
you
YouTube.
gotta go. What's up, YouTube?
What are you guys doing together? Okay, ready?
Wait.
Right, ready?
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
What's up, YouTube? We're gonna try to vlog for our Lao New Year. And-
It's soon. It went by really fast.
And today is April
Practice day.
13th. Oh, it's
yeah.
a Sunday.
April 13th.
But yeah, today we are we're filming Mila's dance. Going over our dance for Lao New Year. And
I don't like that.
and yeah, that's it. Today's just practice day. And then this is our only practice before Lao New Year, right?
Yeah, I don't think we have practice on Friday. Thank God.
Look, let's go around, guys. This is Mila.
I'm eating my cookie.
Okay, fat. And just kidding. How was your cruise, Lana and Evelyn?
It was so bad. I got molested.
Wait, why? How? What happened?
No, I'm just joking. It was so good.
What about you, Evelyn?
It was good.
I didn't know you guys went together. I thought it was just Lana.
Yeah.
But yeah. Alright, guys. Let me go to the other girls. Guys, you guys want to be in the vlog?
No.
This is Maddie, Kaylee, Gracelyn. Sorry, guys. I had to think. But yeah. We're practicing for the Lao New Year. Man, I would go to Harmony and TJ, but they're talking to the coaches. Look at them. Oh, let me go to Kylie. I forgot to go to her. Kylie, you want to be in the vlog?
Oh, yeah.
Maybe, if it happens.
Hey. Hey, vlog.
Hey, Kylie's so pretty, guys. She's being smart right now. she's playing Sudoku right now. While we're on break.
Yeah.
So how do you feel about this weekend? Do you think we're ready?
I hope so. Like, I kind of want to, like, go to those New Year's. I just don't know. Like, also really nervous about it. Yeah.
We're losing people, so yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I'll be back. Guys, I was literally talking to Kylie about how she felt about Hmong New Year. Oh, wait, Lao New Year, and then, yeah. Okay, go, Kaylee.
Wait, don't record my back. No, record the bottle flip only. Okay, ready? Wait.
Bro,
Chill.
Oh! After how many?
I don't even know. I don't know.
But yeah, guys.
That's so
Look how pretty it is outside. It's like, oh no, guys.
Are you excited for Mila's TikTok?
Yes.
It's my vlog now.
Okay.
Are you excited for Mila's TikTok?
Yes,
Are
I'm
you
excited.
for the outfits?
Oh yeah. I was like, what outfit?
Oh my gosh.
I'm kind of scared, guys. What if it's like too short and it goes like right there? That's what I'm scared of. I brought shorts to wear underneath it. Your butt's gonna show. Oh shit. Okay, bye guys. I gotta go. Vlog over. Break time is over. Bye. What? Wrong. Break again. Wrong. Break. Eating pizza. I broke it. Oh, me too. It was not feeling good. That brings some bad memories for Maddie over there. I wonder what happened. But everyone's eating pizza now. This is the vlog for Lao New Year. Hi.
Guys, it's Mila, Evelyn, and Lana, and we're going to Lao New Year's now. It's a 30-minute drive, but yeah. Are you feeling?
I'm feeling good.
What about you?
Great.
Great. I'm excited. I'm ready. I want to go eat food.
Free
Okay.
food?
Free food?
Yeah, free lunch.
Food? Free lunch? Okay. But guys, see you at Lao Lao New Year's. Hey guys, we're at Lao New Year's. There's Kaylee, Kylie, and then Maya.
Oh, mine I've been paying attention.
You guys, and we got our hair done. And well, now we're just walking around, and we don't know what food we're getting yet.
Like before we came, and the dude was like sitting down. He like crashed in the back of a truck.
Oh, why are we walking so slow?
I don't know.
Hey, can y'all like not walk so close to me?
Can you guys walk a little bit faster?
Yeah, they're walking very slow.
You're walking into me.
You're walking into me. Hey guys, what are we getting?
I don't know. What do you feel like?
Hey guys, we're trying to look for food. I'm hungry. We all of us didn't eat breakfast. So.
I didn't eat breakfast either. I only drank my little tour.
Okay guys, what are y'all feeling? What are y'all feeling? Look, and then Lily Elizabeth. Guys, say hi to my vlog.
What the heck? That's why they can't be together.
Guys.
Okay, guys. I'm here. I got food. Yeah, everyone's here. Unfortunately, I was the last one to be here.
Even though you and Julian literally just like.
Hey guys, we're at the last New Year now, and Mila is trying to buy the booze. So, I'll come back later.
Wait, turn it off. Oh, there you go.
Wait, this is.
That feels so repetitive. Oh.
They're looking at fans.
Dude, the fans are so
Is it worth it?
Baby, it's kind of hot.
It's blowing hot air though.
Yeah, it kind of is blowing hot air.
Okay, guys.
It's time to dip.
It's time to dip, right? Before I impulsively buy something.
Exactly. It's nowhere.
Yo, I can feel myself burning.
Yes. The queen is
I can
thirsty.
feel myself getting.
Are you nervous? Yes. How nervous? Like 1 through 10?
Like 7.5, because I'm pretty confident I can like I remember all the moves, but like sometimes like I feel like if I just like look away for a split second, I'm gonna miss something.
No, I'm scared. I'm gonna look at one of the other girls and I'm gonna mess up. That's why I'm just gonna be. I'm gonna look straight the whole time. I'm not gonna look at nobody.
Oh, in the Mila's dance video that Jennifer posted on Insta,
Oh my god.
you can see me messed up, and my hands were like, and my face, I was like, oh.
You know, I think that's why she put the three of us for that one part where we're at the back, we face forward. I think that's why she put us three there because we messed up so much.
I was like,
Yeah.
We're just going back to the food area. I know that.
I mean,
Okay, guys.
let's give them a tour. This is like all the shops.
y'all wanna go to like the bathroom?
And then this is like the food
Okay, I
stuff.
drive, guys. I drive. I know how to drive.
Are you nervous? Like 1 through 10? 1 through 10, how nervous are you?
Like a 3. It's not that bad.
It's because, I don't know. I think it's just because I don't see a lot of people. What's in there?
It's like it's the pageant and then bathrooms.
Oh, maybe we should go in there.
And bathrooms in there.
Are you nervous?
I'm nervous 2 for ELB, but ZPX, I think I'm nervous like 4.
That's a good answer. Are you nervous, Evelyn?
Yeah, a little bit.
1 through 10, how nervous are you?
Like a 6.
Period. Juana, are you nervous?
Oh no! I think we got this.
1 through 10, like 1 through 10, like how nervous are you?
2.
2?
Yes.
Sure, you and Mila are not nervous. Gracie, what about you?
I think
6? Yes. I think I'm like 5. Well, actually, like 3. Okay, we're going into the past and stuff now. I'm very excited though. Guess we'll see how it goes. Oh, we're going to the bathroom, JK.
We're on a mission to go find Lily and Elizabeth. Oh, okay. We're gonna go take a lap or something, so. Oh, I found it! We found them! It's Elizabeth and Athena, guys. We found them. Hello!
Oh, okay.
Hello!
Down, please. Hey guys.
She wasn't here Sunday, but she's here, guys.
Yay!
Yay! Now we're all together. Wait. Yay! Getting ready now. Are you making a thing?
God, you saw how I look. Hello.
Everybody's getting their hair done. Yeah, everybody's getting ready now. And that group just did a performance. What dance are you most nervous for?
I was like, where's my child?
She's in the bathroom. They don't need us right now, that's why. I think I'm not that nervous, but I'm like 2 out of 10 nervous. My answer keeps changing because I keep seeing everybody. I'm like, oh. And Mila's back.
Hey guys.
we most of us came with our hair done already, except for there's Nikki. Everybody came with their hair done, but like besides Kaylee and Kylie, Maya.
Hold on.
My mom is bringing my clothes for us, or for me.
Lying your way.
No. We just watched the other group do their dance. They were pretty good. But art is so different, like compared to like ours is just like, I don't know, theirs is like slow and like elegant, you know, but ours is like kind of
It fell on
fast.
the floor. Thank you very much.
Oh, BRP.
Look at Mila. Oh. There's Maya. And Lily. Yeah, finished. I think we're getting lunch. Maddie. Let's go get food, Maddie. Let's go, Gracie. We're going to go get food.
Okay, I'll go with y'all.
Wow, guys, so excited.
Oh my god.
Are you excited, Maya? Yes. 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 Are you excited, guys?
Yes.
Look.
Okay, guys, we got our free food. Yeah. What we got? Oh yeah.
That looks big.
I know, and I was sweating. Oh my god, I don't know what we're dancing song. And they were asking us to like go dance, but nobody went.
Oh my god.
Because we were all waiting for the food.
That was so embarrassing. The lady was singing and was
She was like, we need dancers, guys. And we just stood
she looked
there,
at us so much. And we all looked at each other.
Everybody
and
else is
ran
over
away.
there.
Okay guys, welcome back to our vlogging channel. Today we got free food. We got fried rice, chicken, and yeah, that's it. And then we got Lana and Maya and all of us.
Hey guys.
Hey.
It's me and Kylie, and we're gonna go get Thai tea.
Let's go.
Oh, it's so hot.
Guys, for once in my life, I'm actually eating like Asian food because I always get McDonald's.
Oh yeah, you do always get McDonald's.
Like, oh my god.
Wait, is it this way? We go this way, right? Okay. Oh, okay.
Just finished dancing. We were standing in there for like forever, guys. Like standing in the line for like forever. And then we went to go take pictures with the monks.
Can you take my necklace off? It's so hot.
Hey guys, this is finished the first. Yeah, we finished y'all day. So sweaty.
Even bigger than our kids.
our second outfit and do our new dance.
I think I went this way.
Okay. Bye guys. Say bye guys.
It's Julian.
Hey guys!
Oh, I have to tuck my shirt.
I'm so glad I'm wearing this. It's so hot.
I know.
I'm gonna go buy me
The
some
whole
water.
outfit was so hot, guys.
It's hot here.
My blood is ass. Oh. Look at Lily's dad, bro. Look at drop off, bro. Everyone's changed. Look, my dad and Mila. Oh wait, my dad and Lily's dad. They're best friends. I don't know if you can hear me, but this is what I'm gonna go get. Passion fruit spritz, lemonade, Sprite, passion fruit flavoring. We just went to go rehearse our second dance, and we're about to go right now. So wish us luck. Bye bye. We're done. I think we messed up a lot, but we got keychains from Jennifer. And I think it's from the thingy, but now we're all going home. It's late. Yep. We're leaving. Woo! Good job, everybody. This is the end of Loud New Year.
Hey guys, this is us not at last New Year because we decided to go to prom.
So we're just eating Laos food because we thought of them. So
Yeah.
basically, we found Laos food as a substitute. Same thing. But their team captains are here, but they did really good. So that's good.
They did.
We just wanted to chime in on this vlog. Hopefully we'll be put in it. I don't know if we will. She probably won't send it. But if we do,
I'm wearing
Well-
my prom dress under.
we're doing our own thing.
I went to go to prom dress off.
I'm naked.
Why would you say that?
Oh. Like she's thrown down for the news. She'll just leave me.
We did our hair. We just on my mom.
And then we gotta go prom. But that's it.
That's in what? 2 hours? An hour or so?
Just chiming in after seeing the girls in their video. Just putting our insight in.
Yeah. Been a whole day. To be honest, we could have gone. We could have visited. But we were late, so it's whatever. And then we got some Thai teas. We got some hats.
You know she puts this in. And she's only gonna put a segment. She's not gonna put this whole clip of us.
Well, Nikki, hopefully you put this whole segment in of us just rambling. Like,
No, she won't. But anyways, that's just us chiming in. We'll see you when.
Just like you, I think that's true. You're just like me.
Feeling tight, yeah, you're high. Yeah, you're